Wireless tag WT993 Cx TINY, the ultra-compact, high-performance, plug-and-play IoT development board series. Powered by ESP32 ESP32 series, each board is optimized for different application scenarios. ESP32 entry-level favorite, unbeatable value for learning and simple IoT projects. ESP32 balanced performance and wide compatibility, ideal for versatile use. ESP32 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.3 for ultra-fast, reliable connectivity. ESP32 enhanced security and Wi-Fi 6 support, designed for high-safety devices. At just 23 by 46 millimeters, fits anywhere. No extra modules, no hassle, just plug and play. It features a built-in USB to serial bridge, a one-click download button, and an RGB status LED for easy debugging. You can even use it as a USB to UART tool. WT993 TINY, 120 MHz CPU, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth dual mode, perfect for smart home, sensor nodes, and remote control applications. WT993 TINY, 160 MHz CPU with enhanced multitasking, ideal for smart lighting, mini gateways, and automation projects. WT993 TINY, 240 MHz CPU plus dual-band Wi-Fi 6 for higher throughput. Ultra-efficient Bluetooth 5.3, made for video doorbells, industrial sensors, and long-range communication. WT993 TINY, Wi-Fi 6 with OFDMA, TWT, and built-in hardware encryption, the best choice for smart locks, security systems, and privacy-critical applications. All GPIOs are broken out. Fully breadboard friendly. Compatible with Arduino, ESP-IDF, and the entire open-source ecosystem, we've prepared full documentation, schematics, and size drawings, ready for your next project. The bundle includes a 2.8-inch SPI display with a 320 by 240 resolution, perfect for students and educational projects, makers and rapid prototyping, smart home and IoT devices, industrial sensing and remote monitoring. Anyone who needs a tiny, powerful, and easy-to-use embedded platform. WT993 Cx TINY, small size, big potential. Your next great IoT idea starts here. Wireless tag, AI agent hardware specialist.